Hi everyone, we're going to answer a few questions regarding this problem. So we want to build a life-size bike ramp based on this toy model. We're going to use the picture of the toy model below to find the measurements required for the life-size ramp. And the ratio is 1 inch to 2.3 feet. So the first thing I'm going to do before we even get started is just draw two-dimensional triangle here. So basically, I know 2 inches, 1 inch is to 2.3 feet. So I know 2 times 2.3 gives me 4.6. So I'm going to call this my life size one. Let me move this out a little bit. This is really 4.6 feet. And then if I multiply 5 inches to get the feet, and 5 times 2.3, and that's going to give you 11.5 feet. So this is the toy, and this is the life size. All right, what's the slope of the toy ramp? Well, the slope of the toy ramp is just going to be your y over x. Especially if we start at 0 here. So it's just going to be 2 divided by 5. And we're going to write it as a fraction like that. Do the same thing for this one. You just do 4.6 divided by 11.5. And you're going to get the same answer, 2 over 5. The slope isn't going to change because we just expanded it. So it has the same proportion. All right. What would the height of the life-size ramp be? Well, actually, we already did that. And that's going to be 4.6 feet. So 4.6. We're just going to write it like that. And the length, we already did that. And that's going to be 11.5. So we're really rounding to the nearest tenth. We're not putting a 0. And then let's do this one here. How long would the top of the ramp be? So basically, we have the height, or it's 4.6 and 11.5. So we have 4.6 and 11.5. All right, and all we're going to do is use the Pythagorean Theorem. We're looking for this part right here. I'll just draw it again. We have a right angle, and we're looking for this value here, 4.6, 11.5. And you use your Pythagorean Theorem, you get 4.6 squared plus 11.5 squared. That's going to equal 153.41, and that equals your c squared. So then you square root both sides, and c, which is what we're looking for, this part, is going to be 12.385. We're supposed to round to the nearest hundredth, so that would be 12.39. But the answer they're giving is 12.38. So they didn't round it properly. So on the quiz, you want to write it as 12.38, even though, so you get it right. It really should be, though, 12.39. All right. That's it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.